Hello, my name's Mike Davies and I'd like to introduce the record power WG250 whetstone sharpening system to you. As woodworkers, we pride ourselves on buying quality tools and equipment. We know that trying to work timber with blunt tools is a complete waste of time. It can also be quite dangerous. Sharp tools will make a job 10 times easier, faster, and the end result will be of superior quality. But how many of us can say that our tool collection is maintained to peak performance? How many of our tools have one perfectly formed bevel with a razor sharp cutting edge? You're wasting your time, energy and money if you don't pay attention to this critical area of sharpening. And the problem is that as woodworkers, well, we've got so many different tools in our collections and each tool has its own unique requirements for an effective cutting edge. Record Power have developed a sharpening system that can answer these problems in just one machine. The whetstone sharpening system will produce razor sharp results with any variation of angle, and it can accommodate a vast array of tools that require a sharp edge. From axes to pocket knives, kitchen knives to scissors, the Record Power WG250 whetstone sharpener is the only tool that you're going to need to regrind damaged tools and to maintain a razor sharp edge. It's fast and easy to use. So why use a Record Power wet wheeled sharpening system? Well, I've got several good reasons for you. When using a dry wheeled grinder, the peripheral speed is travelling at around 2,800 RPM. So it's incredibly effective at removing metal very quickly. However, it can have one drawback. The steel becomes too hot, then it'll remove the temper and effectively render the tool useless. And this is because the cutting edge will become soft and easily damaged. With a Record Power wet-wheeled sharpening system, the grinding wheel runs through a trough of water, which carries the coolant to the blade, and this makes it virtually impossible for the blade to become too hot when grinding. The Record Power wet-wheeled sharpening system comes as standard with some very useful accessories, and there's many more that are available to cater for virtually all of your sharpening tasks. The jigs can accommodate almost every tool you can throw at them, from pocket knives to axes, plain blades to a woodcarver's long bent gouge. The Record Power WG250 comes with a honing wheel, which consists of a leather band and that's impregnated with a cutting compound. And you can simply use the same jigs that you used for the grind to hone the tool in one simple action. And this provides a mirror finish and a razor sharp result pretty much in seconds. The Record Power wet-wheeled sharpening system comes as standard with a variable speed control. As the stone wears, it's going to become smaller. Therefore, even when the sharpening wheel is reduced in size from 10 inches to 6 inches, you can still use the machine at its optimum cutting efficiency by simply increasing the peripheral speed. The variable speed control can also be used in relation to the amount of material that you want to remove. So you can simply speed up the machine for heavy grinding or slow it down when greater accuracy is required. The WG250 comes with a torque control as standard, and this feature ensures that the machine can handle heavy grinding where an increased pressure is required on the wheel. Now, other brands can suffer from the drive mechanism slipping if heavy loads are required. All grinding wheels and sharpening stones will become scored and uneven over time. A stone with a hollow in its centre, well, you just can't use that for flat bladed tools such as plain blades or flat chisels. And Record Power offer a simple to use diamond truing tool for your machine to ensure that the sharpening wheel can be restored to a perfectly flat finish within minutes. Record Power use a special formulation of sharpening stone which provides the versatility to be able to transform it from a coarse grind to a fine grind. The stone grader will condition the grinding wheel from an aggressive 200 grit to a finer 350 grit for finishing cuts. Now this grading tool is included in the Record Power whetstone sharpening system. As with all Record Power products, the whetstone sharpening system is supported by a 5-year warranty. Sharp tools are essential to effective woodworking. The Record Power WG250, it's quick, it's effective, and it will keep you performing at your peak potential. For more information on the Record Power WG250, visit the Record Power website or talk to your local dealer. Well, thank you for listening, and until next time, happy woodworking.